To add methods to your protocol, go to the Edit Protocol tab and click on the Response Methods link in the page navigation menu on the left sidebar. If you want to add data collection methods, click the Add Data Collection Methods link. If you want to add data analysis methods, click the link a bit farther down on the page, Add Data Analysis Methods. A pop-up box will appear when you click either of these links. In the pop-up box, you can search by keyword or author of the method. Type your search term into the box and click Search. The search results will appear on the left side under Template Methods. If you highlight one of the options, the details of that method will appear in the lower half of the pop-up box. Users are encouraged to select existing methods that accurately describe their work. If you want to add the method to your protocol, click the right arrow and it will move to the list of selected methods on the right side. You can continue to add methods in this manner and click Save when you are done. This will take you back to the Edit Protocol Methods page, and all the methods you selected should now appear in a grid under the appropriate category. If you chose a method that you no longer want, you can click the Remove link next to that method. In addition, you can flag a method as optional or required. If you cannot find an appropriate method to describe your work, click the Can't Find a Suitable Method, Need to Create a New Method link at the bottom of the pop-up box. You will be warned that you will navigate away from the Edit Protocol page. Select Save and Create New Method to continue creating a new method. On the Create New Method page, you will need to fill out all fields with a red asterisk, but are encouraged to fill out all fields in the form for complete documentation. This form is similar to the Edit Protocol forms you have seen thus far. Method titles must be unique and should be fairly generic, meaning don't include organization names or locations. In addition, descriptions of methods should also be generic and should provide detailed step-by-step instructions for a particular technique. The idea is that this technique could be applied anywhere and by anyone. Citation information is not required, but it will be helpful in the long term to provide as much of this information as possible. The author of a method does not need to be the same as the owner of the method. Once you have documented your new method, click Save and Return to your protocol. This will take you back to the Response Methods page in the Edit Protocol tab, and your new method will appear in the appropriate grid, collection or analysis. If you need to edit your method at any point, you can access it by clicking the method title on Protocol Response Methods page, or by clicking the My Stuff link at the top of the page and searching the list of content you own. You are encouraged to access any new methods you create, edit them, and submit for review so they become available to the public.